Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can get started with Notion. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's get started. Getting started with Notion is a straightforward process that opens a world of possibilities of organizing your work and boosting your productivity. To begin, visit the Notion website and sign up for the new account using your email address or Google credentials. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface, featuring a clean design and a sidebar of easy navigation. First of all, open a browser of your choice and create or log in your account on the website. After logging in, the interface will look something like this. After that, create your first workspace by clicking on the New Page button. We'll start by creating a page. Give it a name that reflects its purpose. Whether it's for personal tasks, project management, or study notes, workspaces serve separate environments where you can organize your information and projects efficiently. I'm going to name it Sample Dashboard. After naming it, select the page option from below it, and after selecting the workspace type and naming it, you can see that if you head over your mouse over to the text box, two icons start to appear at the left side. If you click on plus icon, then bunch of different options will appear, like and type of text you want to add to the page. If you select the dots option, you can tweak settings of the text you just entered and also change its type. Pages are the building blocks of Notion, and within each workspace, you create a structure your content. Notion provides an extensive collection of templates to get started, such as to-do list, meeting notes, and content calendars. You can also add a cover to your workspace by simply clicking on Add Cover button at the top. When you click on it, Notion will pick a random cover picture for you automatically, and you can change it to anything you like by clicking on the Change Cover icon. It will open up a box from where you can choose the image you want as your cover. You can choose to upload a picture from your device as well as use stock photos available online. After choosing it, you can also reposition it by clicking on this icon and then dragging the picture to the position you like. Organizing and structuring your content is where Notion truly shines. Use headings, bullet points, and databases to create a logical hierarchy. Experiment with different layouts, nest pages within pages, and create links between related information. Notion's flexibility allows you to customize your workspace to align with your unique workflow. And then I'm going to add a callout text that is stand out from the rest of the text, and I'm going to add a tiny motivation code. And then I'm going to change some of the design settings. Just toggle on these two options to make it look more sleek. Now I'm going to add a table view and select new database option from the right side menu. Here you can change the headings of each of the pages by simply clicking on them. When you're done with them, you can add pictures to it too by simply clicking and dragging it into the workspace. I'm trying to align it with the table, but I can't do it. I don't know why, so I'm gonna delete it. To make your workspace truly yours, customize it to match your color style and preferences. Modify colors, fonts, and icons to create a visually appealing environment. You can also interrogate Notion with other tools you use daily, such as Google Drive, Trello, or Slack. After that, I'll add a heading named Navigation, and then I'm going to add a page beneath it. You can also add more objects to it by simply creating new ones like this. You can also change them into pages by simply clicking on the dots menu and clicking on Turn Into and selecting Page. I'll change the icons by clicking on the page icon and then selecting new ones. Then I'm going to add another heading named Weekly Report, and type in all of the week days to keep report of all the events based on the upcoming week. You can create it by simply just adding a heading and a sublist. You can also add an emoji by adding a colon and then simply the name of the emoji. Then copy it 7 times like this to create a whole week. After that, I'll name them accordingly. Now I'll again add a picture by doing the same process and add it here in the weekly report to balance it. You can also change the subtext under the heading into the to-do list just like this. Then I'm going to add a calendar to the workspace to keep track of events throughout the year, and then updating my weekly calendar, the one we just created. You can add it by tapping in / to open up the command section and then selecting the calendar view under the database tab. You can add events to the year calendar like you do it in the normal calendar and save it. After that, I'm going to add an emoji to the heading of my main workspace to give it a nice touch. As you become more comfortable with Notion, explore its advanced features and workflows, experiment with databases and views to create dynamic tables, project trackers, and knowledge bases. Use formulas and filters to automate calculations and streamline data management. Notion's extensive library of template tutorials and community resources provide inspiration and guidance along the way. Remember, getting started with Notion is just the beginning. Continuously explore and adapt your workflows to maximize the potential of this powerful tool. Embrace the flexibility and create freedom Notion offers, and you'll discover new levels of productivity and organizations. And that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.